Hi there and welcome to my review of the Rainbow Pirates game that we recently bought from Amazon. We've had this about a year now and we have played it a lot. It comes in this lovely little colourful black box. It's really sturdy actually, we've used it quite a lot and it's still really held its shape, so you can obviously keep the bits in there when you're not playing. So it comes with an instruction leaflet, which is quite glossy and hard wearing, which is nice, and it's very easy to understand. So I struggle with some games. I don't know whether it's because I'm getting on a bit, but I struggle sometimes getting my head around the rules, and I found this quite easy to understand. And I've been playing it with I think when we first got it, he was a 9-year-old, and he got hang of it quite easily. And my oldest son, who was 12 at the time, really enjoyed it as well. So we ended up playing the 3 of us, which was nice. So as you can see inside, it comes in 2 piles of cards. Ours are all obviously mixed up now. But basically the aim of the game is to get rows of the cards from 1 to, I think is it 7 or 8? So you get as many as you can. It's a bit like Jim Rummy, I suppose, where you get a series of cards, and then there's also black cards as well, which are like activity cards, which can help you possibly get more cards from the deck on your turn, or they can destroy your opponent's card as well. So if I explain what I mean, you obviously want number 1, 5. There's lots of black cards. We also have Rainbow Pirate cards, which you get extra points for. So the aim of the game is to get as many sets of 1 to 7 as you can, or you can also get 3 of the same one. You see on the corner, they have numbers for points. So we also have the wild cards, which they can be substituted for any of these. So perhaps if you didn't have a 4, you could put that in there instead, and it still count as one series of cards. So the aim of the game is to have as many points as possible. So when it comes to the end, you add up all your coins, and then the one with the most coins wins. So we have played this a lot. It's quite an interesting game, so I get bored really easily. Things like Monopoly, I can't play for very long because I get bored, but this was really fun. I really enjoyed this. And obviously, as you can see, it's quite a hard wearing set of cards. So these haven't got bent or damaged at all. They've held really well, even with our overzealous children, shall we say. So yeah, if you want a fun family game, you can all play. Whether you're just children want to play yourselves, or even adults, I think would just really enjoy this on their own. And I highly recommend this. It'd be great as a present, or as a gift for somebody, or just something to buy for your family as perhaps something to do on a night time, a bit of family time together. So I hope you pick this up, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we have. Thank you very much for watching.